lots of weight.
Before we get started, I'm just going to read a quick little bit that was written by Anne-Marie's father, who couldn't be here today. It is with great sadness and a heavy heart that I cannot even walk you on this very special day of your life, my sweet. However, your brother, your mom, and I are very, very happy and are with you every step of the way towards Tommy, the love of your life. Anne-Marie and Tommy. From your very first encounter on January 17th, 2019, at that folk music festival in Sydney, to the large amounts of time spent apart, where you both got to know the true depth of your love for each other, to the various ways that you both are building a meaningful, understanding, and adventurous life together. These are the experiences that shape your story, and this moment, this ceremony, is solidifying your journey through this life together. We acknowledge the invaluable life that is unable to be here today, those currently elsewhere in the world who could not travel safely at this time, and those who have passed on to the other side, namely Tommy's mother, Diane. We recognize that she is here in spirit.
So here we are. We made it. In this moment, standing in front of the most beautiful woman that the world has ever had to offer. I feel like the luckiest man. And I'm so blessed to be with you. You're the most amazing person that I've ever met. You never cease to put a smile on my face, or anyone that you happen to be around.
My dearest Tommy, we made it, just as you said.
We did.
In the beginning, there were so many times I would question in my mind how we would make it through all the mountainous challenges that seemed to keep emerging before us. Little did we know when we met just how many waves of obstacles we would encounter on our journey together and apart. Since we first met in Australia on that sunny festival field, we have always been on our own adventure together, and there has honestly never been a dull moment with you.
No. I promise to always be adventurous and be open and willing to try new things with you. To let you be your beautiful, wonderful self that I fell in love with the day we met, no matter how time may change you through the years.
And I promise, as I've always done, that I will always be by your side and support you. Support you in your own passion and creativity.
And always save you the last pack of noodles. And always be on your side through life.
Even if at times I may not like it. I promise to make space for us to grow, listen and accept when new paths present themselves.
Words simply cannot explain the high that I'm on right now, being with you today. I love you so much.
I love you, my sweet Tommy. You mean the world to me, and I will cherish you on this day and every day as my partner for the rest of my life.
Tommy and Anne-Marie, it's been my pleasure to be here with you both. It's my honor and most sincere pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife, and when you're ready, you can kiss each other.